recycled art project with my niece this 4th of July, working with recycled watercolor and oil experiment papers, applying clear gesso over the top, and then coloring with watercolor markers. Enjoy! Here, and then let's do this one, and then let's call it good, and then we will do other stuff. Yeah, it has salt on it. Isn't that cool?
It sticks.
I know, it's stuck. It's stuck in there.
Off.
It's okay. We're not going to worry about that.
Can I just
Yep. Paint her away. You ready?
paint it away?
Yep. Go for it.
Then undo some of it.
Yeah. Then you can use your pens over the top. It's kind of cool. I get my fingers in it.
It's kind of what you do more than just painting it. Like, you do more finger brushing than, I think, you do more finger brushing than paint brushing.
Well, because we only have one paintbrush, but that's okay.
You don't have that much.
Okay. Now, we don't want to get too
Paint
thick.
brushing
You won't be able to see all the colors, honey. So let's make sure all the little edges are covered, right? And then it's okay. We can wash our hands. It's just clear. It won't hurt you. Okay. Are you ready? We'll go take it over there. We'll take it all over there, and then we'll call it good. Come on. Look at all our stuff. Look at this. Look at all our little things. Ta-da!
So you did this one?
Yeah, we did that one a minute ago. Sweet, and they'll dry, and then we can color them. Yay! Look at that. So oil, watercolor, wax resist, clear gesso over the top, and then you can do your little
Painting.
all our little things. Yeah, we did that one. Pretty. I love it.
Yes, I can jump a king.
That's so pretty. What do you paint?
No, we're not going to paint our hands right now.
What do you think I'm painting, Mom?
Boy, you sure you're done?
I'll try.
Looks good.